Today I'm gonna do something that I personally thought I was never gonna do because I hate wraps, I hate PPFs, I hate everything that has to do with protecting stuff. But today we are not going to protect anything. We are going to transform this interior. You see, the interior is surrounded by screens, but that's not the issue, and this is not what I want to get solved. I don't really care about fingerprints, I don't really care about dust, but I want to focus today on the discrepancy between the piano black and the screens, because when I bought the car I really saw this and I hated it for a long time. So the screens, of course, are made of a different material than the piano black. Now, with the film protectors from Screen Protect, you can see the branding right here, we are going to transform this interior. I like the fact that the squeegee is not made from cheap plastic. It's quite flexible, and this really helps because you will glide so easy on the film protectors. Installation process is pretty logical. You start by cleaning the surface, prep the films with the given solution, and then spray on the adhesive part and also on the screen. If for some reason you mess up, you actually have another film in the set. With the squeegee you get all the excess water away, you do a final wipe down, and then look at the final result. It just blends fantastically with the other elements in the car, like the memory buttons, window buttons, door handles, the leather. It looks more expensive in my eyes and just feels like a giant screen all the way. It hides the scratches on the piano black parts, which is very welcome addition. I'm very pleased with the results, and if you want a kit like this for your own Taycan or your other car, please be sure to check the link in the description. It's an affiliate link and you know the drill with these links, but I want all the money made from this partnership to fund my very first giveaway on the channel. I don't know if it will be just the money to some lucky subscribers, or I'll be traveling through Europe and do free Avilu battery tests on your electric cars, who knows. Feel free to check the Screen Protect website and purchase what helps you the most with your car. For me, it created uniformity. It made a huge change and I love it so much. I'm genuinely pleased with the results. If you liked the video, I hope you leave a like and comment below what are your thoughts on this little mod. Until then, I will see you next time. Ciao!